going? It's Jamie, the Crafty DIY Guy. I am back and I've got another unboxing video for you today from WiBargain. They have sent me a third box now to open for you guys as a thank you for all of the amazing feedback that you guys have been giving on these boxes. And this one, I don't even know if it's I don't know if it's Amazon returns or if it's Target or if it's Home Depot or if it's Lowe's. Before we get into that though, I want to tell you a little bit about WiBargain. So WiBargain is a liquidator. They buy liquidations, I should say, and returns from places like Amazon and Target and Lowe's and Home Depot. And it's kind of like a giant mystery box. You don't really pick. The only thing that you pick is your stores, whether you want Amazon, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot. I think those are the ones that they do. And then I think they do some clothing specific boxes as well. These are not like things that you can return to stores. In some cases, you may get some items that are damaged or some things that are, not necessarily used, but you may even get some of that. And then sometimes things get returned because people are shady and they will return something and they'll return the packaging, but what's inside the packaging is something totally different. Like, who would even think about doing that? So these boxes are really designed like if you want to resell, maybe you want to make a little extra money. I think they retail for around $125. And let's just see what I've got. Before I do that though, I do want to say thank you, of course, to my subscribers, and thank you guys for being here. And the long-term commitments and support, totally appreciate that. I'm in my virtual studio here, so that's why the background looks so much nicer than normal. I have great lighting in here. And if you're brand new to the channel, of course, thank you as well. I appreciate you being here. And, we're just going to have fun. We do some unboxings, we do some shopping hauls, and we do a little bit of everything. So let's just see what's in this box. I have my fancy gold scissors here. It's funny, I hinted in the last video that maybe they'd send me a Target box. So maybe that's what I've got. I don't know. I do know that I'm kind of excited because I'm trying not to, I have a very wobbly workspace here, and I'm trying not to hit the table. So if you're seeing the camera bounce around a little bit, I apologize for that. And I'm literally just going to unpack stuff and just kind of stack it here in front of us. So let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Okay. So, all right, this is definitely a Target box. I can tell because I can see the clearance tag on something right away. This is a beautiful set of headphones. Check that out. Beautiful. And they retailed, it looks like they were on clearance. I don't know what's going on with the camera. Sorry, guys. $28 on clearance. They were regularly, or no, $29.99. They were regular price $60. And they are wireless headphones and they look really, really nice. I bet that was a return, like Christmas present or something. So that's not a bad thing. I'm not going to complain. Again, hopefully they work. Hopefully they didn't get returned because they don't work. That's kind of the risk you play with, some of these boxes. Let's see what else. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's a pet bed. It is a pet bed. This has got to be for Mr. Otis. Look at that. He will, I know what he'll do. I'm not even going to give this to him because he will crawl inside here and then he won't sleep with me at night. He won't cuddle with me. But it's Boots and Barley. That's their pet brand. And it's a small pet bed. I mean, how perfect is that for Otis? This is actually very cool. He will definitely like that. Put it over there. All right. He's already probably smelling it. I'm sorry, buddy. I actually hit him with it. Sorry, buddy. I am sorry. He's looking at me like I've lost my mind. I promise I didn't mean to throw it at you. All right. This is a, are you kidding me? What is this? Wait. Oh, wow. This is a Cuisinart cordless blender. And that's really cool. And I mean, it's a Cuisinart cordless blender. It doesn't look like it's even been opened. Maybe it was opened and then whoever got it didn't want it. And look at that, like it's in great shape. So, okay, all right, WiBargain. Not bad. You know, the couple boxes that I received before, they had some super cool stuff in them, and they had some stuff that like didn't fully work right, and some different sizings of some shoes and stuff. But I was able to regift almost everything, which has been fantastic. You may remember I received a pair of Nike shoes in my last one, and they were ladies' shoes. They were size like 8, and they had the security tag on them. But I was able to take the security tag off with a pair of pliers. And my best friend wears a size 8 in women's Nikes, so she got a brand new pair of Nikes. So it actually kind of worked out for the best. Oh, this is fun. A deluxe chalk blast set. I'm not sure what that means, but looks like I can. Oh, okay. So it's for like painting on sidewalks and asphalt. So that's kind of cool. We do some like neighborhood parades and stuff, and that could actually be really cool for that. So that is fun. I really like that. So far, the Target box, I'm kind of digging the Target box. Shut up. Are you kidding? Sorry. This, wow. Now, I hope this isn't used. But there's this brand called Manscaped that's around, and they specialize in grooming tools for the lower part of your body. And I've been after Manscaped because I've been wanting them to like sponsor me because I'm a dude. I got hair. But now I can do it myself, and I didn't pay for it. So this is designed for groin grooming, and you know, I don't want all that to be hairy and crazy and out there. This one actually doesn't look like it was even open. The seal is still on it, so that's cool because I don't think I'd want to use one of those. There's still a lot of stuff in this box. Wow. Let's see what else. Defender. Oh, it's an OtterBox. It's an OtterBox. I wonder if this will fit an iPhone. So it'll fit an iPhone XS Max. I just ordered an iPhone 12 Pro Max, but I know friends that have the iPhone XS Max, and I'm sure I can gift that to somebody. So that's cool. That's really cool. This is fun. It's a PS4 game. I don't have a PS4, but this could definitely be work. That's Otis scratching on his scratching post if you hear that in the background. Again, something that I could easily sell on eBay. I could put this in eBay and sell it, and even if I got $10 from it or $5, I could package it up very, very easily and ship it out in my own personal mailbox. Like, this is actually cool. Same with that OtterBox, actually. I could do the same thing with that, and it would be an easy flip. So why not flip it? This is a stylus. It is a screen protector and stylus pack, and it looks like it's Mario Brothers themed. So that's kind of cute. I do have an iPad, and I do have a smartphone, and the stylus pens will work on those. And I have a touchscreen computer actually too, now that I think about it. So that's kind of fun. I may not use the one with the little Mario critter on the top there, but the other ones for sure. And again, something if you have a friend that's a video game nerd, like totally give it to them. Why not? There's still more, making sure I'm not got, because there's like 2 more. Maybe there's 3 more. Oh, 2 more. Oh, this is cool. Okay. This is cool. I just bought some of these. Not these, but kind of like Pyrex. It's the Target brand. It's Room Essentials. and their glass food storage with the plastic lid. This is a great box. I'm really, really loving this box. I don't know if they're trying to bribe me, but this is a good box. And then this is another box inside of the box, but I don't know what's inside this box. Let's see if I can open it up. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Okay, this is hilarious. It's like they're listening or something. I love spiral notebooks. I love a spiral notebook. I literally keep a notebook for my personal self, for keeping my own personal life on track and my to-do list. And there are a ton of these in this box. It's another box like that's inside of this box, but I don't want to pick it up because it's heavy. And I'm literally just pulling out all these spiral bound notebooks. Now, I will not keep all of these. We have a school in the neighborhood that they have a fantastic theater arts program. And they also, like, I'm literally still grabbing notebooks. This is the last batch. They do a back to school drive every year. And we in the neighborhood fill up backpacks for the kids at the school. So these will all be donated to the school. I'm gonna keep one pack. I'm gonna keep one pack. And it looks like it's 5 notebooks in one. Holy crap. I thought it was, holy cow. I thought it was 3, but it's 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 notebooks. Like, that's a really random thing to find in the box, but I'm not hating it because, again, I love a spiral notebook. I really, really love a spiral notebook. I think that's it for the box. Such a cool box, right? This was a really good box. And I am very, very pleasantly surprised with this one. So again, it's WiBargain. There is a code below for, I think it's 15% off. It's code Jamie. And you go to WiBargain.com. Definitely read through all the disclaimers and everything, just so you know what you're getting. Again, this box was really, really good. And I mean, I'm super stoked about it. Why would I not be happy about this? There's literally, like, excuse me, maybe, I'm gonna take a sip of my cocktail here. There's probably like maybe 2 things in here that I wouldn't use, but other than that, this is really a good box. So I hope that when you order your WiBargain box that you will get something just as cool. Definitely a fan of the Target box out of the, so I've received 3 boxes now. I've received 2 Amazon and a Target box. And the Target box is by far my favorite. I don't know if that means that all of the boxes are going to be like this, but again, super, super cool. Very cool items. The Manscaped thing is my favorite. I really love this for the upcoming, like, neighborhood social distance parades and such. The OtterBox and the video game, probably will put those on eBay and flip those. These I can definitely use. This hand blender, this looks like a crazy, like crazy legit. I thought it was a vacuum cleaner when I first got it because of that crazy, but that's the blender part. The headphones are really cool. So again, a great box. And all of those spiral notebooks, except for 5 of them, will be donated to the school down the street. So I need to contact my my contact there at the school and find out what I need to do, because I don't know if all the kids are back yet. I think they're back in waves, so I know that they can use those notebooks. So anyway, that's the haul from WiBargain. Check them out at WiBargain.com. It's WiBargain, and read through all the disclaimers and stuff below, and hopefully you'll get a great box too. All right, thanks guys. Bye.